So guys, Davido decided to show us another way of coming to Headies award. Guy, I like his outfit, if you ask me. There is this sandals he was wearing. Yeah, and this is the sandal I'm talking about. So the guy stormed Headies award in our traditional attire, but Yoruba attire. So it was simple and nice. I was seeing a lot of so many outfits from that party yesterday. Many people were dressing nice. Like I was seeing people that were just simple and classy. And there's this particular, there was this particular outfit I saw. I was like, wow, the outfit is nice. No offense, but I think it is meant for, Met Gala. I don't really think it's for that Headies, but it's the outfit that you can rock in Met Gala and just create attention. But I like his inspiration. I like the outfit. So, usually now as the video comes into this kind of thing, awareness is created and with his guys. But out of all these things, I like one thing about this guy. I like his humility. I like the way he carries people along. There's a reason why I said this, and we'll get to that. Do you understand? So he stormed the Headies Award. I think he was called up to hand over an award to somebody on stage. So when he was called up, he was meant to give Odumodu Black the award. So I love the impression I got from him. There was no this thing. He was so happy for the guy. We just be looking at my video. You will see where I was some point dancing, waiting for Odumodu to come up stage to come and take his award. And I'm also happy for Odumodu because guy has been working tirelessly to be known and to be seen. And he's just pushing himself. And there's this joy when all your efforts are being, appreciated. So this was how he welcomed him on stage. I don't know if it's Odumodu's mom is this, but I like the way Davido just treated him on stage. This thing is not about the pedigree or about having money I think that is just him being him. Do you understand? So that thing was what drew me to what he was doing on stage and how he, welcomed Odumodu Black on stage and Odumodu collected the award. Most times this award usually cause trouble. So can we look at our faves? See white money in his dashing outfit. I just happened to give you guys a sneak peek of some of your faves. The Mbadiwe twins and the white money. And I also saw MI. Yes, so they are the OGs of the music. So they were all present. I also saw Neo and a lot of them. Sean, yeah. Even Regina Daniels was there. Ishi Montana. So, and Nas Boy. And hopefully this guy too is good. He's good in skit making. As in somebody can be all round. He's so talented. So I'm surprised I didn't see any of his song in this Headies anyway, but the people that won the award, at least many of them, they really worth it. I'm not really a music. I'm not really into music, so nobody should come for me. So I don't really know everything about music. So I wouldn't say whether, those ones that won it actually worth it. But I know that there are songs that were making waves. There are a lot of those songs that were making waves. There are, this our in-law, Juma Jokes. His song was just this year. If there is any award in music, I'm sure that guy is going to be top rated. If top charted in so many places because people were playing it all over Nigeria. Like that guy is so blessed to have in-laws like Nigerians because we will so promote his music. Then you talk about Chief Polo. You talk about, I think any party like this in Lagos, a lot of celebrities are there. I think they are invited to also, create more awareness about this thing. Coming to think of it, this Headies thing must have been maybe one or two persons gathering together and decided to make it a formal organization to start giving people award. And ever since then, this thing has been pulling so many weights. It's even making rounds more than all these, what will I call it? I think it's only BET and some other American awards, but Headies too is being heard and known. Do you understand? So this was how your faves and most of the people we, are fans to Okay. So those that win the award, Flavor won the award. And then this girl that usually directs Pink, she won the award too. So many people, you can go through my screen and see how the award was given to them. When I saw Mohbad's pictures in those things, I really felt so bad. Bless his soul. Because assuming this guy is still here, this guy is a potential music bomb that would have bloomed not just nationally, but internationally. Do you understand? So guys, at this point, this is what I brought for you guys to see the sneak peek of what happened in Nigeria for the Headies. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.